Hey everyone, so I have started the community. Here you can see you can join in my community. If you click here, it will ask you like in which expertise you want to join. So if you want to join as a beginner, then yes, you can, experienced and experts. So there are a few differences, and I will be sharing my expertise in all the technologies and also for the research there. Okay, so the members only exclusive videos you can find it. So here you can see it's members only. Okay, so I have added that in the playlist members only, and here you can see it is a members only. Okay, so member only, members only, member updates. So you can see here wherever I have mentioned members only, so that videos only the members can see. Okay, so I have already uploaded nearly 26 videos, and yes, I'll be keep on updating. So what is the benefit of being a member? So first benefit is what you will be watching the videos prior to the subscribers and other viewers. Okay, at least a week prior. And the second one is all the boot camps and whatever the documents which I'm discussing in the video, that you can access it. Okay, but the only thing is you should be a member of the channel at least for a month, because as you know, like the documents which I'm preparing is completely, I'm spending all my time to prepare that. So I can definitely send you out. Okay, and the thing is like you have to send me a mail. So once you join as a member, definitely you will come to know about my mail ID. Okay, so you can send a mail. So what you have to do is what you have to watch the video, and then you can tell me that this is what the video I watched and I want this particular document. Why? Because see, I have nearly more than hundreds of documents, and I cannot, if I share it to all the documents to all the members, it will be spam, like it will overload your mail inbox. So I don't want to do that. That is why I'm telling that just go through the video. Okay, and you can see that which video specific documents may cover you or may give you some highlights. Okay, like requirement gathering. So I can tell you that one of the document where most of the members have asked for is what about the checklist. Okay, so here you can see there is a members only video for functional consultant as well. Okay, so I can show you. I will also share this link with you. This is a members only complete consolidated video is available in this link. Okay, where you can see all the videos. I will just share those this link in the descriptions. Okay, so you can see that. So here you can see you have various videos here. So here you can see that is in the 22nd video. It's a requirement gathering checklist. So many have asked for the requirement gathering checklist after watching this video. Okay, likewise business processing, this PPT which I have prepared. Okay, so I will definitely share, and also the interview questions. Okay, and also the AL programming bootcamp book which I am preparing. I'll be sharing that with you. But only thing is for the whoever is joining new, please try to stay back with me at least for a month. View all the videos first, because simply you will be sending me a mail like Gomathi, please share me all the documents. But I have nearly more than 100 documents. If I send all these things, you have to go and choose it, right? It like you might be for different expertise, like you might be a functional consultant and you don't specifically need a technical document, right? So it is better to view all the documents and ask me for the or you view all the videos or a specific video and ask me for the document. Definitely I'll be sharing it with you. If you have any queries, you can directly message me. That is the special thing which I can give it for the members. Like you can send me a mail and I will definitely reply you back at least within 24 hours. Okay, I hope you can watch this video and gain some knowledge. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.